This is the HCalory Toolbox Max diesel heater. There's your exhaust. I got my hose running up into my truck camper. All I did right here was I closed the window. I have a sliding window. I just closed it shut on the hose because I haven't made an insert, so that's where I'm at right now. Right now I have an electrical wire running up into my truck. It's not hard to see, but there's a hole, and it runs off of my battery. I'm about to show you the other side. And if you look, I have this nice tire stand to put the diesel heater on. I could put all this in the description. This thing's pretty sweet, so we're gonna have to test her out tonight, see how warm it keeps us. So right now it is 26, so it's just 27, so now it's dropping. Anyways, here's the electrical cord that I just showed y'all running up to my SP50 connector, running off a 100 amp battery, which is also running my fridge. And it's running all my lights right now. And this is what's gonna power the diesel heater. So, yeah. So I just plugged in my SP50, running this through this hole in my truck, right down there, kind of hard to see. And then that's gonna plug into the diesel heater. Man, for Alabama, it is cold. Probably like, I don't know. Let's see what this thing says. It is 27 degrees. Right now I got this app. That is my DJI F350 camper battery. I'm already connected to the Truvelax battery. That's this. Charging, discharging. This is what we're doing right now. Full battery. Let's go ahead and start up the heater. I'm going to the HCalory app. Doing this left-handed. And you can see right now high plateau mode is on. I'm turning that off. I'm going to press heat. It says activate the device. Yes. This could take a couple minutes to get there. Right now I have it on full blast. I'm just gonna start it out at 5. But it's gonna take a couple minutes. It says gear ignition. I'm sorry, this is my DJI. It's not that good at focusing, so hopefully you can kind of see what's going on. But it says ambient temp, the body temp. It's all there. But I have it on gear 5 is what I'm doing. I don't usually do a temperature setting. There's a remote, it'll sense the temperature, but I have it on gear 5. You can see right here is where the heat is coming in. I have this heat tape, I guess you call it, right here, so it doesn't catch this on fire. A sliding window, and this is what provides our heat in our camper. And here's the setup with the truck off. Got the kids at the campsite. 27 degrees. Here she is, she's kicking. Can run all night off this. Shore power, not hooked up. In case you want to see my truck, give you a little walk around. Woo! Woo! She's looking good. Let's see what the temp is. 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice and warm.
Toasty.
Got this thing on full blast. Got it full blast in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. It says 54, 30-degree difference. Not bad. It is 60 degrees in here.
Oh, we're getting hot.
61. Right now it is 24 degrees in here. How hot it is in this room. See here it says ambient temp. Oh, it's really hard to see, but it's 61. This thing's on full blast right now. So it's 24 outside and 61 in here. Also can use this remote, which is also a carbon monoxide detector. 61 in here. Not bad. Not bad. So this is on 64, we're on full blast on 10. Let's go see what the temp is outside. It is still 24 degrees. Alright, quick update. 9:22. It is 68 degrees in here. Let's go see how cold it is outside. 25 out here and 68 in there. That is a 43-degree difference. Wow. All because of this guy. Tell you something, we were nice and warm last night. 28 degrees outside and 70 degrees in the truck, camper, cabin, whatever you want to call it. This thing is rocking it. Son, you had a good night's sleep?
Yeah.
And you had a good night's sleep? Mom?
Mm-hmm.
This is the way to go. It's not that cold anymore, it's only 31. But here's the setup. Kept us warm the entire night. No complaints. I ran my cooler, which is a ICF 60, and this heater all night, and I have a 100 amp battery, and according to the app I still have 69% of the battery left, so I used roughly 31% in one night, so this would be plenty for a weekend. If I want to upgrade, I might get a 200 amp hour battery or get solar on top. We'll see.
Are you cozy?
And my chair. put Chloe inside.
Mine aren't close. But don't go back into the bite. Yeah, sure.
Can I be closer to the fire with me?
That's close enough. It's very chilly. Turn them on! Turn them on!
Huh?
Turn them on! Ooh!
There's no lights like that!
You like that?
Yeah.
Those are cool.
On the road.
Good job.
Got it.
Can you set it on there? Nice.
Got a custom light. Got our hanging lights right now. Our table. About to make some food. It's pretty cold. Got some water boiling. Got some fish going. About to do some grits. We're gonna have some horse and cheese. We're gonna have Alaska salmon, grits. It's gonna be good. With some guys, it does not get better than this. Like, beautiful night. It's like we got a almost full moon. It does not get better. This is great. This is what I love doing. It's amazing.
Good job. There is more here.
We're definitely keeping that Kelsey chair. I looked. That's when I came here. I went out. It's just sitting over the fire.
Over?
Like, this is the flame. It's just sitting there. I don't know how long it did it.
It fell over?
Picked it up and I felt this warm spot, so you can't tell. It looks good. Yeah, it was just the top of it.
Roasting it.
It was just sitting in it. I'm like, wow, that's a good chair. I don't know what it's made out of, but Kelty, if you're watching this, using your dog floor, dog wrap. Oh! You lead it. Wanna race that? Let's go.
Yeah.
Ready? Marks.
Ready, marks on set. Yeah, go.
You win. Here? Okay.
Yeah.
You made it. Oh. Come on. Where's the puddle? Mom, this is your Instagram reel. Yeah, it has to be mountains in Alaska.
Nice.
Show y'all our campsite. Look at that. Check her out, huh? Cool spot. Another place you can go with a truck camper. Alright. Ooh, the diesel heater kept us nice and warm. It's our camp spot. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.